Imagine starting your day aboard a World War II aircraft carrier and ending it beneath centuries-old oak trees draped in Spanish moss. That's Charleston for you. Bold history on the water at Patriots Point, peaceful reflection downtown at Washington Park. Stay with me. In just a few minutes, I'll show you why these two spots together capture the real soul of Charleston in 2025. As you cross into Mount Pleasant, the USS Yorktown dominates the harbor, a floating city turned museum. Launched in 1943, she served in World War II, recovered Apollo space capsules, and since 1975, she's been open for all of us to explore. This year, Patriots Point is making big upgrades. The hangar deck is being restored to look exactly like it did in wartime, with aircraft overhead, recreated maintenance rooms, and new exhibits that make it feel alive. At the same time, crews are safely removing over 1 million gallons of old petroleum waste from deep inside her tanks, protecting the harbor while keeping tours open. They're also marking 50 years since the Yorktown arrived in Charleston, collecting community memories for a new Charting 50 Years exhibit launching in early 2026. When you visit, walk the flight deck, peek inside crew quarters, check out the Apollo 8 capsule replica, or even book a Live Like a Sailor experience if you're feeling adventurous. Back downtown, tucked behind City Hall at Meeting and Broad, is Washington Park, just 1.5 acres but packed with peace. Originally City Hall Park in 1818, it was renamed in 1881 to honor George Washington. Brick walkways, iron gates, blooming azaleas, and giant live oaks set the mood. In the center stands a tall granite memorial to the Washington Light Infantry, along with statues of George Washington and General Beauregard, and a bust of poet Henry Timrod. Locals come here to sketch, read, sip coffee, or simply cool off in the shade. With historic buildings like the Fireproof Building and the South Carolina Historical Society surrounding it, the whole space feels like a living postcard. Patriots Point shows Charleston's strength. Washington Park shows its heart. So here's my tip. Start your morning at Patriots Point before the heat and crowds, then head back downtown for lunch and an easy stroll into the park. So whether you're drawn to the clang of naval history aboard the Yorktown or the quiet rustle of moss-laid live oaks in a cozy park square, Patriots Point and Washington Park deliver two very different, yet deeply complementary, slices of Charleston, South Carolina. If you enjoyed this tour, hit like, drop a comment. Which did you want to visit first? Don't forget to subscribe. There's more Charleston waiting. Thanks for exploring with me.